Before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below. And press the bell icon for latest notification for out latest videos. This is a very good chocolate cake recipe that is healthy, and you won't have to listen to the same advice from your doctor about why you shouldn't eat chocolate cake. Ingredients to make a chocolate cake: 1 cup soy milk, 3/4 cup cocoa powder, 1 cup unsweetened applesauce, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 2 cups whole wheat flour, 1–1/2 cups raw sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt, 4 egg whites large, at room temperature. Preparation on how to make a chocolate cake. 1. Heat oven to 350 degrees. Roll out 2 9-inch round cake pans or 1 9 by 13 by 2-inch pan with vegetable oil spray and sprinkle with whole wheat flour. Heat the soy milk in a medium saucepan until it just boils. Remove from the heat and add the cocoa until it is thick and almost smooth. Some small lumps will remain. Let stand 2 to 3 minutes to cool slightly. Whisk the applesauce and the vanilla extract. 3. Mix flour, 1–1/4 cups raw sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and sea salt in large bowl. 4. Beat the egg whites in a medium bowl with an electric mixer until thick and frothy. Gradually add the remaining 1/4 cup raw sugar and continue beating until stiff peaks form when the beaters are raised. 5. Pour the cocoa mixture over the whole wheat flour. Stir just until mixed. 6. Using a rubber spatula, gently stir about 1/4 of the egg whites into the whole wheat flour mixture. Fold the remaining egg whites until there are no white streaks left. Pour into prepared skillet or pans. 7. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted near the center comes out clean. Cool completely. Decorate with your favorite fresh fruit. Vanilla ice cream. 2 egg whites, at room temperature. 1/2 teaspoon cream of tartar. 1/4 cup of honey. 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. 1 cup instant fat-free milk powder. 1. In a bowl, beat the egg whites until foamy. Add cream of tartar and continue beating, adding honey and vanilla. 2. Gradually add the fat-free milk powder, whisking constantly, until the frosting has a good spreading consistency. Making a chocolate cake is not that difficult. Enjoy!